Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Coach Fleischer, and I'm looking to do a quick overview of Module 2 for class here. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll this on down. You go into Learning Modules, and in Module 2, you'll find this video will be posted right here in a second. But if we open this bad boy up, we'll see for this module, what we're going over is kind of like different types of movement patterns and contractions, and then we dip a little bit into strength versus power towards the end. And what I'm after on this is just an understanding of how the body moves in different exercises. When you do a workout, it's super easy to see like a movement pattern when you're doing a bicep curl or a tricep push down. Not so easy to see when you start doing a lat pull down, a chest press where you have multiple joints moving. When you do a very complex type of exercise like a power clean, you have multiple segments of the body moving, and then you have different phases of the exercise itself. Believe me when I tell you, when you get into upper level classes in the kinesiology world, you can spend, and I note this in one of our presentations, you can spend a mountain of time just evaluating the different phasing of exercises and also the different phasing of muscular contraction within an actual context of a movement pattern. Beyond that, we'll get into types of resistance and also types of modalities, which I won't belabor the point on those, but you understand and start to understand that different modalities are basically tools for working out. And then strength versus power. Strength and power, and you're seeing this in the class where we're doing some exercises that are more strength oriented versus power oriented. And I think you're starting to really get the idea of what you're after in one end of the spectrum. If you're an athlete, how you're really trying to work on that power component. And while strength is good, power is a key component to almost all athletic pursuits. And the difference you have is the component of time, or the acceleration over time itself. And last but not least, we have a check for learning 2 down here, which I'll go ahead and make that live. And that's going to be open till the end of the term, so please don't slack on this. And the other thing you'll notice is if you go into Learning Module 1, open that bad boy up, you'll notice that this check for learning is now open. I know some of you missed it before. I'm a heck of a nice guy. That'll now be open until the end of the term as well. So with it, get that done, guys. Get both those done if you have to. Sit around with your buddies, try to get that homework taken care of. You can have the PowerPoint presentations up. You can have the write-ups up as well. I'm more interested in you guys getting good grades in this class. There's absolutely no reason why anybody should do poorly in this class. With that, I am signing off, guys. Have a good one.